What up, YouTube? It's your boy DJ Ron the Mechanic back with another video. As you can see by looking at the background, I'm here in my little garage shop. Yeah, you know when I'm up in here, you know it's about to go down with some installation. So what I plan on doing today is I'm about to switch out the little power outlet in the rear bottom console of my car. I'm going with a digital one instead that shows the voltmeter on it. So I'm gonna show you the old one, what I have in the car right now. All right, so this is what I have in here right now. See, I have this one here is a dual one. You can like cover it up with the little cover back there and take it down. All right, you see I got my tools already. I'm ready to do it up. So here's the new one that I'm going to install right here. See right here? The voltmeter. So it actually is gonna display the voltage and also give a good charge for the phone, whatever. And I think this right here, I think that's an on and off button there. Y'all see that? I think that's an on and off button. So yeah, I can't wait to try that out there. So when it's not being used, it just cover up and you'll be able to see the voltage. And it looks pretty easy to install. I mean, once I cut the diameter hole that I need, all I gotta do is screw this on the back end of it, hook the wires up. Man, she could be ready. And here the wires is right here, already fused off. So yeah, so this right here is coming out. So I guess you can say, yeah, I'm trying to get a little fancy with it. You know, I just like to see them little numbers light up, man. Just give it another look, you know. So I think that ought to come out pretty cool. So yeah, I'm gonna definitely get back with y'all when I finish installing the new voltmeter back there, where you be able to charge your phones. So y'all be able to see what it look like. So I'll get back with you once I finish.
1 hour later.
Okay, YouTube, I'm back with the finished installation. So this is what I had at first. Y'all see it? This is what I had at first, and for the charge your phones, whatever, with. See it? So that's the old piece, and I'm about to show y'all the new piece. So this is what it looks like finished. I don't know if y'all can see it that good or not. So what I did, I kind of wrapped it a little bit with some black. So here's the finished product. Right there. I decided to wrap it with this paper that I had, because all this here was kind of all scuffed up and everything. So I decided to do that, make it look a little smoother. And here's the new one. And you can see I just flipped it up. See that? Now you got two on there. All right. So let's crank the car up and let's see what it do. All right, let me get my keys. Make sure there's music down. Don't want to get no copyright or nothing. Let's see. All right. Let me turn this. Oh. All right. So let's check it out. Like I say, here's the old one right here, as you can see. Alright, so here's the new one. So let's see what it do. Alright. I don't know if y'all can see that pretty good or not. You see that? It's showing the voltage back there. So that's pretty cool. I can turn it off. So what it is, there's a little button on there. I'm gonna turn the light on so y'all can see. See right here? That's a little button. Power on and off. So look, turn it on. Look at it. Turn it off. Boom. So when it's not in use, see, I can leave it off. Don't have to worry about it. See, the other one I had, it stayed on. So in other words, whenever I turned the car on, it was always on. So this one here will always be off unless you press the power button for to turn it on. But it's pretty cool though. Look at that. See? I'm showing 13.1 volts coming through there. Don't want to use it, just cover it up, and there it is. Came out looking pretty good though. So y'all, hey, look, leave a comment, like, subscribe. Hey, look, tell me how y'all like it. To me, I think it looked a whole lot better than this old one right here. See, here's the old one. See, if you compare it, just by looking, you can see the big difference. Big difference. Yep. So yeah, y'all, I'm pretty happy with that. So now I don't have to worry about pretty much having that on all the time when it's not being used, So with that little button right there on that one, I like it. Like I said, I could turn it on, turn it off. And top of that, it's pretty cool, to see the voltage on back there. I kind of like that. So, hey, I'm through with this little project here. So, like I said before, like, comment, subscribe, Hey, look, y'all got any projects y'all working on? Hey, send me a message, whatever, and I'll get back with you, I'm interested in seeing what everybody else is doing to their rides, adding little knick-knack stuff, you know what I'm saying? It ain't got to be nothing big. It could be something small, whatever, something just to make a little change to your car, Just get at me. And until then, to the next video, hey, I'm out. And also, thanks to all my subscribers out there. I appreciate it. You know what I'm saying? Much love to all y'all. And y'all, make sure y'all go subscribe to my wife's channel, Nancy B. the Scratcher. Subscribe to her channel there. And I'm out.